Hello, in this video I'll show you how to clean your aluminum intake manifold with fire. This is a diesel engine intake manifold and it's very dirty from carbon buildup, and we need to clean that intake manifold because the engine can't breathe because of that carbon buildup. Here I'll show you how to clean the intake manifold with fire. To do that you need a torch and compressed air. Here you can see with the torch I'm trying to get the carbon buildup hot enough so that it starts burning, and once it starts burning I'm going to blow compressed air in there, just very little compressed air. But constant compressed air, and you'll see how the whole intake manifold will start burning the carbon buildup. Once the carbon buildup starts burning, you don't need the torch anymore, you just blow compressed air in there and you'll see how the fire will get bigger and bigger. Once the carbon buildup starts burning, you should do that about probably 5 to 10 minutes, depends on how dirty it is. Just make sure that the aluminum intake manifold doesn't get hot enough so that it cracks. This is always a risk, but you have to be careful. Here you can see how the carbon buildup is burning, and I'm blowing compressed air in there to keep the fire going. Here you can see the fire is getting bigger and bigger, just keep blowing compressed air in there and the whole intake manifold will start burning on the inside. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Here you can see there is fire coming out of all the holes on the intake manifold. You should hold like that for about probably 3, 4, 5 minutes, and depends on how dirty the aluminum intake manifold is, but in my case it's very dirty. In my case there is still some carbon buildup on the inside, but I'm going to stop the fire now because I'm afraid not to crack the aluminum intake manifold. I'm going to let the intake manifold cool down, and then I'm going to clean everything else, maybe with a screwdriver. In my case, the carbon buildup burned for about 10 minutes and I stopped it just in case so that I don't crack the aluminum intake manifold. The good news is that on the inside, in the middle of the intake manifold, there shouldn't be any more carbon buildup. Maybe there is only some carbon buildup here on the outside where the holes are, and because the fire was burning, now the carbon buildup is it's very soft and we can remove it with a screwdriver. I burned the carbon buildup for about 10 minutes and now I'm cleaning it with a screwdriver, and you can see how much of carbon buildup is on the ground. This intake manifold is very dirty, or was very dirty. Now it's almost clean. Here you can see how much of carbon buildup is on the ground after I already burned half of it. And you can see it's now clean on the inside. Next I'm going to get a wire brush and just clean where all the seals are sitting. Now I'm going to get my wire brush and put it on the compressed air and just clean all the places where the seals are sitting, and the intake manifold will be like new. Now I'll show you a closer view of the intake manifold after I clean it. You can see how clean it is. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.